Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. For today's episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Psychology or BS Psych. So if you are curious about human behavior, emotions, mental processes, and why people think and act the way they do, this course might be for you. So ano nga ba ang BS Psychology? BS Psychology is a degree program that focuses on the scientific study of human behavior, emotions, personality, mental processes, and social interactions. In simple terms, BS Psych students learn how people think, feel, behave, and interact with others while also studying research, assessment, and mental health concepts. Now, ano-ano nga ba yung mga subjects kapag ikaw ay isang BS Psychology student? Usually, meron kayong General Psychology, Developmental Psychology, Abnormal Psychology, Social Psychology, Industrial and Organizational Psychology, and Psychological Assessment. So, makikita mo na it's a mix of science, research, human behavior, and practical application. Now, ano-ano naman yung mga skills na madedevelop mo if you are a BS Psych student? You will learn critical thinking, communication skills, active listening, research and data analysis, problem solving, empathy, and understanding human behavior. So, importante dito ang pagiging observant, analytical, patient, and open-minded. Now, let's talk about career opportunities. Kapag graduate ka ng BS Psychology, pwede kang mag-work as a Human Resources Associate, a Recruitment Specialist, a Training and Development Officer, a Guidance Associate, a Behavioral Therapist Assistant, an Employee Relations Officer, a Psychometrician, or a Psychology Instructor. So you can work in corporate companies, HR departments, hospitals and clinics, schools and universities, government agencies, research institutions, and mental health organizations. Now, when it comes to salary range naman, it will always depend on the company, the location, your experience, and your qualifications. But generally, fresh graduates usually start around 18,000 to 30,000 per month. If you're on a mid-level position, training and behavioral health roles, it can range around 30,000 to 60,000 per month. And for experienced professionals, licensed psychometricians, HR managers, or those with advanced degrees, earnings can go beyond 60,000 to 100,000 plus a month, depending on your role and the organization. Now, sino-sino ba yung bagay sa BS Psychology? This course is a good fit for you if you are interested in understanding people and behavior, you are good at listening and communicating, you are curious about mental health and human development, you are analytical, detail-oriented, and you are interested in research, counseling, or human resources. So if you see yourself helping people, understanding human behavior, working in an HR, or mental health-related fields in the future, BS Psychology might be the right course for you. So that is BS Psychology explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.